Let's install SDXL on ComfyUI. With one file, one click, and some images at the end. Let's go. Open our Comfy workflow repository on GitHub. Click Setup Windows. Click Install SDXL botbat. Download the file. On Windows, you may see a warning to unblock the file. That's normal. Go to Properties. Check the Unblock option. Click OK. Open the file with a double click and wait for the installation. When it finishes, press any key to exit or simply close the CMD window. Now go to the ComfyUI portable folder and open it via Run NVIDIA GPU. Once it's open, in the left side menu, you'll see the Workflows section. During installation, the workflows were already downloaded to the correct folder, ready to use. Click SDXL base. Paste the prompt of your choice and hit Run to test. The workflows come with 5 ready versions: 1 by 1 square, 16 by 9 horizontal, and 9 by 16 vertical, all at SDXL's native resolution, plus 2 full HD versions using the same pipeline with upscale. Everything is already set to the ideal SDXL configuration. Each model has its own native config, so if you want to test another later, use the one recommended for it. For full HD, the best path is to generate first at native size, then apply an upscale. And here we also run the same prompt in 9 by 16 vertical. I included 5 SDXL JSONs already configured with the best settings for my tests to make your choice easier. Now, let's move to the comparisons. You don't need a 5090 to run SDXL. 3 GPUs. Same prompt. Same seed. Watch. Let's look at the hardware. Same prompt across 3 NVIDIA cards. The 3060 takes 19 seconds. The 4090 5.5. The 5090 4.5. The image is the same in every case. Look closer. Same prompt, same seed, same sampler. Quality is identical across all 3 GPUs. The only difference is time. Going wider and going HD. 6 by 9 landscape at native bucket, about 6.5 seconds on the 5090. Add the HD pipeline, latent upscale plus refiner, and you land near 1920 by 10080 in 11 seconds. Same trade in portrait. Native 768 by 1344, about 7 seconds. HD version 12. Same prompt, same seed, only the pipeline grew. So which card for which job? If you have a 306 DIR, 12 gigs, around $300, you're in the casual zone, 20 seconds per image. Coffee break friendly. Got a 4090, 5 seconds per image. Production work, batch generation, flow state friendly, running a 5090, 4.5 seconds. Throughput champion, basically real time. Bottom line, any modern NVIDIA GPU runs SDXL. Quality is identical, time scales with power. Next episode, FLUX. Same prompt, same 3 GPUs, but a different beast. You'll see exactly how different. Methodology and source data linked below. Same seed, same prompt. Every comparison.